This video is on adding change order requests, uh, where a change order will have a cost code at the root level of the budget, and the bill code will be also at the root level. So here we'll say create a cost code when we create our change order request, and create the bill code when we create the change order request. The second type of change order log, we could do the same thing. I'll save the preference. We'll come over to the previous browser tab and we'll add a project. Okay. I could do the change order request as a tab, but here I'm going to do it here, and I'm going to say, pull up my job, and I'll add a new change order request. I'll specify that it's pending include, and I'll save it. So the system based on the preference, created a new cost code and a bill code. We'll look at the budget. There's my cost code. Look at the progress billing grid. There's my schedule of value line item. Come over to the estimate tab, go to copy facility. It defaults in my job and my estimate job based on a preference, and we'll go over here and we'll show you that in a different browser tab. And that preference is set here. So it's utilities, setup preferences, estimating, edit the estimate, and select the job you want to default when you come into this copy facility. Here we'll come down here and we'll add a couple of rows, and we'll click on our grid, and here we have the change order for the bill code, and we have the budget item. So we did get a request for us to create levels underneath the bill code, so we'll do that at some point in the next couple of weeks, but right now we're just tracking the bill code, a single bill code for this change order. And the cost codes we've created, now we'll have a cost code and we have codes underneath them. So the cost code is at the root level. And so now we're going to come back over to the estimate, and we're going to go to the copy facility. Oh, well, we've already done that. So we're going to put our numbers in. So we'll add some numbers to it. We'll put a markup in there, and then we'll go to the next row. We'll just put an amount, give it a markup. So our schedule of values will be 36,500, and our budget will be 30,000. So what I'll do now is I'll update the job. I go to the budget tab, click refresh, and I get my change order. My root level cost code is the change order because of the preference we set. And then underneath that, we're creating the division and the cost codes. So our budget is 30,000, and our change order request is in that column. So that's it for that video.